Hello everyone, we are glad to welcome you on a HardReset.Info YouTube channel, and in today's video I would like to show how you can remove Twitter bookmarks. So first of all, let's open the list of bookmarks that we have. You can do that by tapping on your profile picture at the top left corner of the display. Then among the options over here, profile topics, just go for bookmarks. Here you'll get the list of bookmarks that you have saved. If you would like to remove and clear all the bookmarks from here, just tap at the three horizontal dots over here. Not these ones, but this ones. And tap at the clear all bookmarks option. If you would like to remove any particular bookmark that you have saved, just in front of each bookmark you'll have their own separate horizontal dots. And in here just tap at the share icon underneath the tweet in this little field, and tap at the remove bookmark option like so. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.